Hello everyone. Today, I have an amazing and special car with me, which I'm excited to show you in full detail. This is a Toyota Corolla XLi 2011 model, registered in 2012, and it's a car known for its reliability, performance, and smooth driving experience. Let's start with the exterior of the car. This Corolla XLi comes with brand new lights, which not only make the car look stylish but also provide excellent visibility at night. The outer body is completely clean and polished, giving it a look just like a brand new car. In addition, this car has Altis rims installed, which add a premium look and style, and it comes with brand new Zero tyres that offer excellent grip and safety on the road. These upgrades not only enhance the appearance but also ensure a better driving experience. Now, moving to the interior of the car. The interior is completely genuine and original, and everything inside is in excellent condition. The dashboard, seats, door panels, and all interior parts are clean and well maintained. This means that not only will you enjoy driving it, but sitting inside feels comfortable and relaxing, making every journey pleasant, whether it's a short city ride or a long trip. Talking about the engine, this Corolla XLi has a strong and reliable engine, recently replaced to ensure maximum performance. The engine runs smoothly, and you won't face any issues for a long time. Along with this, the suspension is excellent, providing a smooth and stable ride on all types of roads. Whether you're driving in the city or on a highway, this car performs exceptionally well in every condition. Another great feature of this car is the biometric system, which adds an extra layer of convenience and security. This is a very useful feature in today's time, giving both the driver and the owner added peace of mind. Now let's talk about location and price. This Toyota Corolla XLi 2011 model is available in Karachi, and the demand is 2,175,000 PKR. At this price, you're getting a car that is not only stylish but also highly reliable, well-maintained, and ready to drive. This car is not just about looks, it also offers a great driving experience. With new tyres and upgraded suspension, every ride is comfortable and secure. The interior being genuine and clean makes it feel premium from the inside. The Altis rims and upgraded lights add a modern and stylish touch, making the car stand out on the road. The recent engine replacement and excellent suspension ensure that this car will remain reliable for a long time. Whether you're using it for everyday commuting or long trips, the Corolla XLi 2011 will meet your expectations every time. So, if you're looking for a car that combines style, comfort, and performance, this Toyota Corolla XLi 2011 model is an excellent choice. With upgraded lights, Altis rims, brand new tyres, genuine interior, a strong engine, excellent suspension, and a biometric feature, this car is complete in every aspect and ready to impress anyone. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching our channel. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.